Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to harness the power of custom scripts and indicators on TradingView, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert a Pine script into your TradingView chart. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not just how to add your own code, but also how to seamlessly launch custom indicators or strategies, unlocking a whole new level of chart analysis. Whether you've written your own Pine script or you found a cool one online, these steps will have you up and running in no time. Alright, let's jump right in. So I'm here on my TradingView chart just like you probably are right now. The first thing to know is that adding Pine script is actually a lot easier than it might seem at first. If you already have your code ready, either written by you or copied from somewhere, you're halfway there. I've already got my script copied to my clipboard, and that's exactly what you'll want to do as well. If you don't have it yet, find the Pine script code you want to use and just highlight and copy it. Next, let's head down to the bottom left of your TradingView screen. Look for the tab labeled Pine Editor. It's a little tucked away, but it's down there below your chart area. Once you spot it, give it a click. The Pine Editor is your workspace for writing and editing custom scripts. Think of it kind of like your personal notebook within TradingView, specifically designed for Pine script code. Now, once you're in the Pine Editor, you'll see the default template or whatever code is already there. Before we paste in our own code, it's a good habit to clear out anything that's pre-filled. But before that, let's make sure we start with a clean slate. You'll notice an option or button near the top that says New. Go ahead and click that to create a new script. As you're setting up this new script, you'll need to decide. Is it going to be an indicator or a strategy? TradingView gives you those two options because they serve different purposes. Indicators show signals or overlays, while strategies can actually backtest ideas. For most cases, if you're just adding something visual to the chart, indicator is what you want to choose. Click on that. Okay, now take a moment to highlight and delete everything inside the editor panel. Don't worry, you won't break anything. This is just the default code. With everything cleared out, right-click and paste or use Ctrl+V to drop your copied Pine script code into the editor. Double-check that everything pasted correctly, especially if your script is longer. Sometimes, very large scripts can take an extra moment or two to load, so don't worry if you see a hiccup. Once your code is there, the final step is super simple. Just click on Add to Chart. Sometimes this button will say Add, sometimes Save and Add to Chart, but the point is you want to launch your custom script onto your chart. Within a few seconds, you should see your new indicator or strategy appear, either as an overlay on the price chart or in its own separate pane, depending on what the script does. And just like that, you have supercharged your TradingView setup with your own custom Pine script. If it doesn't appear right away, double-check for any typos or errors in the script. The editor will let you know if something needs fixing. Don't be discouraged. Pine script can be a bit picky about syntax, but a quick read-through usually clears things up. So that's all there is to it. I hope this walkthrough helped make the process clear and easy. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a thumbs up. Got questions or want to share how you're using Pine scripts? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And if you want more step-by-step guides to mastering your trading tools, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy charting.